send invoice on Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send invoice on your Cash App account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Cash App account. If you don't have an account, just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply download the application in your device. And after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your account, all you have to do is just on the home screen itself, you just have to simply tap on the amount that you would want to send to the person you want to send the invoice. So for example, I want to send these $12 from my Cash App account. So you just have to click on the drop down menu and select whether you want to send the money in US dollars or Bitcoins. So since I want to send the money in US dollars, so I'm selecting that, and after that just simply click on close to close that tab, and after that just simply click on pay section from the home screen at the bottom right corner. Just simply tap on it, and after that over here you will be able to see the people or the recipient name or the person in your contact list to which you can send this money directly in their Cash App account. And as soon as you send this particular amount of the money to this person, the invoice of this particular amount will be also sent along with the money that you will send to the person you want to send this money to. And after that just simply click on the activity icon from the bottom right corner of the screen, and over here you will be able to see the list of the transaction that you have done in the past. You just simply have to tap on it in order to see the invoice of the transaction that you have done in the past. So this is basically how you will be able to send invoice on your Cash App account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.